After sharing my sisterhood stories, we were all delighted when 3 forever Binibini queens joined us. Let's all welcome, ladies, Miss Universe 1984 third runner-up, Desiree Verdadero. And Binibining Pilipinas International 1991, Patty Betita. And Binibining Pilipinas Maha 1992, Marina Benipayo.
Thank you for having us, Pia.
Yes, of course.
And ladies, welcome.
Hello, ladies. Hello.
So before we had you queens here, I had a talk with our 40 lovely binibinis about the sisterhoods that are formed in pageantry. So I want to ask you first, kasi parang it wasn't in the same year naman na you competed. So how did this friendship begin?
You. Oh, sino ba? Pwede bang age before beauty?
Okay. Sige. Actually, our friendship began when we have the same mentor, which is
Rene
who's
Salud,
Salud.
Mama Rene Salud.
And then we also members of PMAP, Professional Models Association of the Philippines, and we are all models. We work together. Kaya doon nag-umpisa. Okay, next.
Next. And then, parang scripted. No, parang, actually, pinag-usapan namin to kasi hindi namin ma-identify exactly when
Paano nag-umpisa?
naging officially barkada. Because we come from different years. Si ate,
84.
84. Ako, 92. And Patty is
91.
91. And then the other members of our group, kasi we're 7, along with Thea Robles,
Sarah Jane
Paez,
Jem
Jem
Padilla. They're 89,
and Lou Buni.
88, 89,
Iba-iba.
90, 91, mga ganon.
Oh, si
Puro
Lou Buni.
bini-bini winners yun.
Yes, puro bini-bini.
And then there's one supermodel, si
Pero,
Lubunyi.
pero lahat kami, Pia, discovered by
Rene
Rene
Salud. And then, parang sabi ko nga, we cannot pinpoint the exact year, pero yung pinaka-common sa aming tatlo is 1992. 19, tama? 2000. Kailan tayo
2012.
2012. When we traveled together.
And we call ourselves
Bali
Bali
ladies. Because
Bali ladies.
Bali
kasi
ladies.
Bali ladies.
Bali ladies.
Bakit hindi Bali girls?
because
that's where I celebrated my 50th birthday. So doon nabuo yung Bali. Sa Bali namin ginawa. And we
Pero
have proof
ano
for
nga
that.
it was parang before 2012, syempre decades before that, magka-batch kami ni Patty in a pageant, in another competition. So parang, alam niyo, parang eventually, you get to meet people in your life, tapos you end up with yung mga nakakasundo nyo, same, similar sense of humor, tapos yung mga dinadaanan sa buhay. So the more conversations we have, the more we stuck to each
and
other.
then, that's when we realized, we get along.
So,
And the more
so,
kalokohan we did.
and then 2012.
Yes.
So, parang yun na nga siguro yun.
Oo, parang we speak the same language kasi.
Exactly.
So parang lahat ng kalokohan namin,
Gets namin. Oo.
Yun din yung sinabi ko doon sa girls kanina, na yung mga unang makakasundo mo, yung kapareho mo ng humor.
Yes.
Talaga.
Yes.
Because you'll find comic relief in that, being in such a competitive space, di ba? Kailangan you break the ice, magbiruan kayo ng konti. So, since it's all different years, did you coach each other? Like, would one of you coach yung lalaban pa lang, i-train natin, turuan natin, tulungan?
Parang hindi pa uso yung coaching.
Walang ganon.
Wala. Time na yun.
Wala.
Kasi
Medyo
we
matagal
have
na yun.
mentor We have a mentor. Kaya siya na yung nagtuturo sa kanila.
Pero yung mentor, hindi katulad ng mga ngayon, ha?
Na may
glam team
Na may
kayo.
glam team kayo. Kami wala.
Na wala kami,
As in,
we had Rene Salud.
sariling
but he
sikap
didn't-
kami
Rene didn't go with us. Or even tutok na turo. Ito, Marina, pumunta ka, itong araw na to, punta ka sa Araneta, mag-apply ka.
Ganun
para
lang.
sa script. Ganon. It's nothing, So, most of what we know is self-taught. Talaga. But we have that similar, yung base namin, yung foundation is Rene Salud.
And during, I don't want to say your time, kasi para namang grabe, di ba?
Okay na.
during our time,
It's okay.
During the years that you were competing, were there several girls from Mama Rene na pinapadala? Or was it ikaw lang? Alam mo na ikaw yung alaga ni Mama Rene that year and mag-a-apply ako? Or were there a few? every year?
Oh, ang dami. Dami namin.
Marami din.
During my batch, we're 18.
Yeah.
18 ladies na sinali niya.
Galing kay
For
mama.
Binibini, oo.
Galing kay mama.
Oo, kasi during that time,
meron.
ang dami, ang candidates namin, lahat kami were 44 and on, total namin. So 18 of the candidates are from Rene Salud. Tapos the rest na, hindi na namin alam ko sino. Kayo rin?
Meron din. Kahit sa batch ko nung 1991, meron siguro mga 5-6 din kami na finield niya sa pageant. Meron din. Pero alam ko naman ako yung favorite niya.
Baka ganun na rin kasi ako wala akong maalala na may... Wala akong naalala na kasamang na finild. Actually, pinasali na lang ako kasi mga overage na daw ako. Kasi I've been avoiding yung kasi I'm known as a model. And medyo, kung napapansin nyo, yung galaw ko is not exactly yung, di ba, yung beauty queen, ganyan. So, I've been avoiding, no? And then, nung magti-26 na ako, 25, sabi ni Rene, oy, ma-overage ka na, sumali ka na. Punta ka sa taga-chuchu, di ba? Kasi, kailangan ko ng title. kailangan mag-compete ako because si Rene Salud travels so much no, during that time. Napapagod na daw siya magbigay ng fake titles.
Kailangan legit.
Kailangan daw legit na. So, I had to fight for that title. So, sabi ko, after no competition, pag wala akong mapakitang sash, balik na naman ako sa fake. Fake title. So, nung time na yon, I can't really remember anyone else na finield niya. Except for myself and maybe some, apakadali favorite din ako, kaya hindi ko naalala.
But did you also have friendships or gain friendships na hindi nyo kasama sa kay Mama Rene, na kasama sa mentorship niya?
Meron.
Si Lou.
Si Lou.
Kasi nga, by the time we joined pageants, we were already professional
Professional
models.
models, yeah.
So, di ba,
we work
minsan may
together
magsasabay.
Oo.
So, ayun, chika na namin sila.
What are the big differences from then and compared to now? Aside from the training, was it different? The pressure?
At naalala mo pa ba? Hindi, naalala
Ikaw
mo pa ba?
mahuhulog ako sa upuan. Ako rin.
Ang hirap pala, parang exam.
Alam mo, hindi.
Ang training namin during that time, hindi katulad ngayon na very tedious, di ba? You have your own camp, you have your own team. Sa amin noon, ang ginagawa sa amin ni Rene Salud, sinasabak nila kami sa mga fashion shows.
Yun ang
That-
training
that's our
ground
training
namin.
ground.
Runway.
Oo,
Runway
yes.
Yeah.
Walang parang naka-schedule na, at mo workshop. Wala kami
Pasarela
ganon.
training.
No,
So,
we don't
our
have
only
that.
trainings, di ba sabi ko, it's self-taught. Our only training talaga was pag sinaba kami sa fashion,
Sa fashion shows.
Then, yun na.
And how do you train for the Q&A part?
No.
You know, we
Wala.
don't.
We don't
did,
also.
we did, pala we did.
Surprise. Laging surprise.
Surprise.
Surprise yun. Walang ganyan.
Wala
na
ding
cute.
nag-train sa
Wala.
amin. Wala. Kaya nagugulat ngayon, may training
That's why kung
ba,
mapapanood nyo yung batch ko, I'm sorry, really palpak sa Q&A. kung magaling lang ako sa Q&A, siguro naging Pia Wurzbach na rin ako.
Oh, kasi excuse me third runner-up, Miss Universe.
Yes, come on.
1984.
Lord, wala
Third
yung
runner-up.
training. Diba?
Best in
Parang-
swimsuit. Ano pa?
Thank you, Marina. Thank
Proud
you.
kami doon.
I love you.
Proud kami doon. Pero wala, no?
Wala talaga.
Wala, surprise.
Self-taught lang talaga.
Kahit yung Q&A ko nung pageant namin, buti na lang wala pa social media
Yes!
noon.
Yun na lang. We're so lucky na wala social
Goodness.
media.
Yes.
Kundi, left
Parang
and
3 hours yata yung sagot ko noon.
Yun ang big difference, right?
Kasi ngayon, ang sobra ng pressure with social media, di ba?
yeah.
Parang, I don't know, I just noticed, no, parang, you know, a candidate, you know, when I see their Instagram account, kailangan lagi may content. Kailangan may pictorial, may runway challenge, yung mga ganon-ganon.
Kami doon, kailangan mo bumili ng camera. Wala kang pambili, wala kang camera, makikipicture ka na lang.
Hindi pa uso ang
Walang
cellphone.
Tsaka, nung time namin, walang mga, yung mga, anong tawag doon, yung sa audience?
Banderitas?
Hindi.
Yung mga signs,
Yung
yung mga...
ganon. Ang imbitado mo lang pamilya mo, tapos. Swerte mo if
Yes.
your friends show up, but if they don't, it's fine, you know?
Walang malakas yung boses.
Walang
shouting.
ganon. Walang
They-
mga
they
camp na
clap.
nagsisigawan.
Oo.
Walang ganon noon.
Yun na, they
Kami-kami
clap,
lang.
that's it. You know,
Yeah.
ganon. Walang nag-aaway na audience.
Kasi social media is difficult because you have so many eyes on you, and bago pa man mag-coronation night, feeling mo ginajudge ka na.
Exactly.
But then, on the flip side, you also gauge your odds because of social media, because then you get the feedback from other people kung ano ba, saan ba ako mag-i-improve, saan ba ako parang medyo nagkakamali. Where would you get your feedback from at that time na wala pang social media?
Ourselves.
From our mentors. Si
From the
Vanessa Luz,
mentors talaga.
siya yung nag-feed sa amin. Na,
Okay.
Bakit si
"Hoy,
Rena hindi present nung...
yung sa inyo?
So wala akong narinig na feedback.
Or from the other candidates na ano?
Actually, pinadala lang nga niya yung gown.
Oo, my God.
Minsan gagawin yung pageant, napapadala lang yung gown. Ikaw na bahala dyan.
Her story
We
is
fixed our own
different from
hair,
us.
did our own makeup.
But then again, hearing that you know, the times have changed and you have glam teams now, you have a lot of people helping you out. It's also very challenging for you hearing na wala palang ganung mga camps pa noon and support system noon, because then it also means that you have to be completely independent.
Yes, yes.
And you have to learn how to discarte on your own.
Yes, true.
And these are life lessons you take with you after. Pa rin. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so medyo
Naiba.
light naman. And ano naman, outside of pageantry, back when you were all still single, what were your usual bonding moments naman that kept your friendship intact? Disco!
Disco. Disco.
Diba
oo,
after
disco.
after a
Alam niyo
fashion
disco?
show, alam niyo,
Alam niyo
di
disco,
na
alam?
alam
Yung
niyo.
club na
Mother
ngayon yun,
ko
club.
Na ngayon.
Ilan to club?
Yeah. After a fashion show, di ba? If after a fashion show, we usually go to a club. Well, club later on na yon, disco muna. Doon, yun ang bonding namin.
Oo, tapos pagka dumadating ng mga models, di ba may pila lagi sa disco, yung mga bumili ng ticket. Pag model ka, diretso lang kami.
Oh, face value.
Oh,
Face value.
pinapanood nila kami dumaan.
Bye.
Tapos, binubuksan lang yung door for us. Pasok. Tapos, pag nakita na kami ng DJ, biglang patutugtugin na niya yung Volare, our
mga
favorite
favorite
song.
songs
Video ba?
And then,
Mga ganyan.
And then,
hahawi
your
yung
name
mga
appears
dat-
on the screen,
Oo.
on the may LED
And then,
screen.
yeah, and then, yung mga
Volare.
nandun na tao sa dance floor,
They play that song when we
Oo.
arrive.
Tapos humahawi yung mga tao.
Mga tao,
And they make us
yeah.
dance. Tapos pag nandiyan na kami, o di all together now. Ganon. Pero,
Pero yun ang mga bonding moments
Iba yung-
namin. When we were young, ha?
Yes.
When we were young.
In a way, I think
In a
that's a
way.
test of your presence. When you walk into a room, can you move the crowd? Can you make them give you space? Diba? In a way, para ka na rin nag-training.
pero ano
kumbaga.
ha, ang sarap kasi, it's not that, hindi man nagagalit sa amin yung mga tao. Pero, I think during that time, natutuwa din kasi ang kukuboy namin talaga. No? Promise. I mean, so when we entered and then naghiwalay yung mga tao sa dance floor, yung gumanyan, it's okay for them. Okay lang, because we were fun.
Oo, we're not pabebe, ha? Hindi kami pabebe,
Hindi
mga
kami,
babae.
oo.
Tsaka hindi kami feeling entitled. Di ba?
Tsaka
Hindi naman
kilala
tayo
namin
ganun.
yung
no?
mga kilala. Oy. Ganun lang.
Fun lang.
What about now? Ano yung mga klaseng bonding moments nyo nowadays?
TikTok.
Oh, yeah?
We have TikTok.
Di naman, mahirap na yung sayaw Kaya wala tayo tuloy ma-post.
Ano, karaoke.
Mahirap.
Karaoke.
Karaoke.
Pre-pandemic, karaoke.
Oo, karaoke.
Or we'll just,
tapos,
di ba, we'll just gather in one house. We'll eat. You know, we like
Simple
to eat.
dinner
Simple
together.
dinner. And then kwentuhan after.
minsan
Usually karaoke.
movies. Yan, ganyan.
Ano pa ba? Wala. Yun lang. Pero we
Coffee,
rarely
coffee.
go out na to events.
Yeah.
Medyo natamad na.
Kakatamad
Pero we don't really
mag-ayos.
go out. We just go to each other's places. Ito, sa kina Des or kina Sarah Jane. Tapos magkakaraoke. Or watch Binibini Pilipinas kung hindi kami
Yes, sa
makapunta.
bahay. Sa bahay kami.
Yeah, but that's it. And kumain.
Nagvo-viewing party din ba kayo?
Yes, we do.
At meron din
Tapos
ba kayong
potluck.
listahan nyo ng winners?
Yes, of course.
Meron kami favorites.
May favorites kami.
Nakakatama ba?
Oo.
Oo naman, hindi pa
Most of
naman
the time.
Hindi kasi ako gumagawa lista.
Hindi kasi ko gumagawa.
I'm there.
Kami ang masipag.
Kami masipag.
Pero gagawa sila. The last time, di ba, yung isang pageant, talagang may bet lahat. Oh.
Yeah, ano naman, although we don't really, yun lang, viewing parties na lang. Sometimes, as much as we want to attend, di ba, to watch a pageant, minsan, wag na lang, kain na lang tayo sa bahay. Kasi tinatamad. Nood na lang tayo.
Potluck na lang tayo.
Manonood from home.
Yes.
Actually, mas masaya yung ganon.
Enjoy din yun.
Because then you can react naturally without being conscious of cameras, right?
Right.
And then you can express like your real reaction with
But
with
it's
the
not a party with many people, ha?
Oh,
Yung
okay.
party namin
Just us,
huli,
the seven of us.
Just us.
tatlo lang kami.
Tatlo lang kami.
Pero we're siguro mga 6 or 8, ganyan. Pero yung huli ba tayong tatlo lang?
Oo, tayo lang tatlo nung huli.
Yun na yung party namin.
Yun na yun.
Okay, so I'll ask a few questions here and then medyo ano tayo dito? Fast talk ng konti. Wow. Lights on or off? Charot! Joke lang. I won't do that to you. Wrong show, wrong show. Okay. As a friend, what do you like most about each other? We can go this way.
Humor.
Desiree.
Humor of each other.
Ikaw muna.
Ako, oo nga. Oo.
Humor.
Humor nila, oo, iba, nakakatawa. Tsaka nakakabata kasi I'm entering my senior year this year. So, dapat ang kasama ko mas bata sa akin. Kaya, kasi nakakabata. Mapapatawa ka nila. Ikaw.
Ako yun din. We get each other's humor talaga. Okay lang. Minsan nagsasaluhan pa kami ng joke eh. Pero ito yung pinaka malakas tumawa. Sarap niya pahulugin sa upuan niya, kakatawa. Minsan, me and my husband would think of a joke and then sabi ko, sasabihin ko yan pag nagkita kami, ang sarap ng tawa nito. Ganon. Well, it's really like that.
Si Des, I call her Ateng. Ateng, di ba?
Oh, they
Ateng
call
Des.
me Ate. I'm
She's
the
very
oldest.
nurturing. You know, pag meron kaming mga, problems or
Gusto
we
namin
need
umutang.
advice, umutang. Siya ang kausap ko. Si Maria
Pagkautang?
naman. Hindi naman, no.
Okay. Sabi
Mga
ko,
ano lang.
noted.
Pag may mga ano lang, mga kunyari, I need advice, anything, tawagan ko siya. Si Marina kasi ang ano namin eh.
I need your furniture.
She's the wacky girl in the group, but she's the
She's the
pinakamalalim.
pinakakalog.
Kalog na malalim.
Ko alam,
Very
serious ko.
no nonsense yan.
Tataka nga ako, bakit tumatawa sila? Serious ko.
Okay. So, sino naman ang pinakamadaldal? Oh, ang bilis.
Sinabi ko, may silbi tong
The most
pag-ikot ng upuan.
opinionated?
Opinionated.
Wala dito.
Wala.
Nasa New York.
Okay. Okay.
Sino si
Si
Thea?
Thea. Si Thea.
Thea.
And who loves to eat the most?
Us three.
Lahat.
Lahat.
Oh, yun, that's also one bonding. We
Lahat,
love
lahat.
to eat.
We love to eat.
It's also like a bonding session yun na rin yan around food.
Always involves food.
Yeah.
Always.
Magaling kasi magluto to eh.
Oh, she's good.
Magaling
She's a
mag...
good
Ito din. Yun lang
Kumain,
kaya.
kumain.
Magaling yung kumain.
Magluto,
Magaling
magaling
mag-order.
kumain.
cook. Yeah.
Sino naman ang pinaka-emotional, especially when it comes to heartaches?
Uy! And one more.
And one more, but she's not here.
She's not there. She's not here pala.
And who's best when it comes to handling finances?
Ay, wala din dito.
Wala
Si
din
Sarah
dito.
Jane.
Wala din dito.
Oo, si Sarah Paes. Sarah Jane.
So apparently lahat na sa amin. wala dito.
Sinong pinaka-conscious sa figure niya? Yes.
Pero ang hilig sa sweets.
Oo.
Hindi halata.
Sweet tooth.
Oo, sweet too.
Super.
Hindi na masyado, konti na lang.
Kumakain ng asukal.
Oo, pag-show. Di ba?
Oo.
Ano yung, speaking of food, was there, kasi when I was competing, something that we'd like to eat just before we go up on stage, chocolates. Kasi madaling dalin, maliit lang siya, and it gives you a lot of energy, and it makes you happy, you know? And it gives you the energy you need. Was it the same for you? What were your pre-pageant, like bago sumabak sa stage?
Nung 80s.
Oo, ng 80s, Jelly Ace. Oo, yung ano, di ba?
Jelly Ace.
Jelly Ace, sila rin, di ba?
Pero nung
naubos
naubos ang Jelly Ace, tinatagay ko yung yung sugar packets.
Hindi ako
Sa
asuka,
hotel.
hindi ako pagkain,
Actually,
wine.
ako. Ay, ito wine.
Before a show, just, a glass.
Yeah, just to relax.
Diba sabi nila, pag may wine, may balak.
May alak, may balak.
Sabi, bakit nagwa-wine para daw yung lakad
Before the
umi-ekis-ekis
show,
na gano'n?
Speaking of just bago sumabak on stage, meron din ba kayong pre-pageant ritual? Like, do you jump in place? Sumisigaw ba kayo? Do you shake things off?
Nagmamadyong kami.
Wala, uminom na ako yung Lipovitan doon. Yun lang yun, para magising.
Energy.
Energy.
Wala, prayer. Walang ano. Wala. Kayo?
Specific. I'm sure lahat sila.
Wala eh.
You guys, you dance, you sing. Did you sing?
Energy drink,
Energy
coffee,
drink.
Oh,
eat.
I guess we were always ready.
No. Ready
Walang
sumabak.
pambili.
Sino naman ang pinaka-organized when it comes to personal items like clothes, makeup, shoes? The neat freak.
We're kind of OC.
OC,
Kaming
yeah.
dalawa, di
Hindi
pa.
kami mag-organize.
And
We're
planners?
Planners
Yes.
too, yeah. Yeah, we do.
Pinaka-kikay naman.
Oh! Ano? Ay!
Si Lou. And Lou.
Lou Buni,
Si Lou Buni.
Pinaka-funny.
Si Lou ulit. Ako?
Ikaw ulit.
Humble si Miss Marina, hindi niya tuturo yung sarili
Kaya
niya.
naman nahihiya. Gumaganon nga.
Pinaka-makulit.
I resign.
Most pabebe.
Ano nga yung pabebe?
Ano yung pabebe? Di ba pa-cute yun, di ba?
Pa-cute, paawa,
Ay!
pa-tweetums.
Please edit.
Meron, pero we won't mention the name.
Okay, we don't have to.
Pero di naman negative ano yun. It's just ano lang.
Who's the sweetest and who's the fiercest?
Sweetest. Fiercest.
Kasi ako yung mami
Thea
nila.
Robles.
Oo. Si Thea Robles kasi
Tapang
pag,
yun. Taga-Palawan ako. Ganun.
pag yes, yes. Wala
Yung
sa
taga-Palawan
kanya in
dito?
between. Yes or no lang.
Yes.
We can start with you, Miss Desiree. And then we'll go this way. What are the happiest and most unforgettable moments that you shared with one another?
The happiest, when I celebrated my 50th, doon kami na kompleto, kaming 7, Tapos every birth ng mga birth na anak nila, ninang. Kasi we're ninangs of each others kids. So, tsaka basta pag mga celebrations lang, mga birthday celebrations, basta simple bonding namin over coffee, over mga konting kwentuhan. Those are my happiest moments with them.
That's so sweet. Na yung mga bonding moments, yung simple moments
Simple
become the
moments
most
lang.
memorable
You
ones.
should ask her about Vietnam.
Oh, what happened in Vietnam?
Oh my God!
Kaming tatlo yon.
Hindi exactly bonding.
Kasi we have travels also, yung bigla lang na, mag-Malaysia tayo, or alika, tayo, Vietnam. So we had bonding together.
Reward lang naman namin.
Reward.
Reward lang namin yun sa mga trabaho namin. Me and Patty and I planned to go to Vietnam. And during that time, dumating na kami sa Vietnam. So sa immigration na kami, si Patty nakapasok na siya. Ako, ayaw na akong papasukin because I'm holding up blue passport. So kailangan pala is Philippine passport. So hindi sila nagbibigay ng visa. So nangyari sa akin na airport to airport ako. Hindi ako nakapasok ng Vietnam. And what happened next? Si Patty, nakuha niya yung maleta ko. So hindi ko
Nakaloka.
pwede makuha yung maleta ko.
And they have
So,
to check the maleta. Hindi ko maleta yung kanya, di ba? So I have to open it. Hindi pala nila alam si MacGyver.
MacGyver.
Sis, binuksan ko yung maleta niya kasi hindi ako papasukin. Oo, i-check. So kami ni Marina, and then Marina was in Vietnam.
Oo,
So
she
kami
was
ang
there
nagkita.
already.
Yeah, she went ahead of us.
So ako hindi. Luhaan ako umuwi. Without
So anyway,
my maleta.
nakabawi naman siya. Next, please.
So, bumawi sa Bali.
Oo, bumawi
Yes.
sa Bali, big
Yes.
time,
That kami
big time.
umiyak.
Ikaw naman, Miss Marina, what's your most happiest, most unforgettable bonding moment of that you guys shared?
Same. Sorry, Pia, same yung that Bali trip talaga was very special kasi that was the only time na magkakasama kami lahat
Nabuo.
na buo. Because Thea Robles lives in New York. And then, si Sarah Jane din, di ba? Parang,
Back then, she was
based in Indonesia.
yes. So, that was the only time that we were together. So, I would say that was the happiest moment talaga for me.
I think yeah, me too. But you know, any occasion that we're together, basta kami lang, na walang boyfriend, walang husband, enjoy na enjoy kami kasi you know, because nga we have families na rin. So this is a rare time to really get together. We really plan it. Whether it's just dito sa Manila, sa bahay lang ni Des, sa bahay ni Sarah, or we plan to travel, lahat yon special moments with them.
And mind you, yung mga travels namin, hindi yun mahal. Very cheap lang. Cheap fares lang ang kinukuha namin.
Basta
Para lang
makarating.
Basta magkakasama kami.
Basta makarating. Di ba, tas yung hotel, okay na yun. Basta yung hotel na may maganda, yung okay na. Yung
Cowboy,
okay
we're so
na.
cowboy
Kasi
lang
tuta
kami.
lagi kami sa labas.
And those trips actually are more fun.
Yes.
Because there's no pressure. And you get to really enjoy what matters. And that's the company, right? It's not the fancy hotel or the fancy food.
It's very spontaneous
Yeah.
talaga.
Very
lahat ng
spontaneous.
plano doon.
What about challenges that you face naman together? Whether it's within the friendship or challenges outside of the friendship, were there any and how did you overcome them?
Taban ako.
Pati,
Mina ba?
you can explain further.
Oh.
Challenge. Okay. All right. Are you ready?
Ready.
No, I'm a 14-year I'm a 14-year cancer survivor. So when I was diagnosed in 2008 of breast cancer, of course, you know, that's that's life-threatening. Wala parang mapapaisip ka, parang, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen to me, ganon. So, of course, I leaned on my family, I prayed to God, and most of all, my friends. Ayan na, sabi ko na.
Ayan na eh. Sabi na nga ba, pinag-usapan na natin yun. Tama, period.
So, yun. And
And now she's fine.
in one of my chemo sessions, Desiree and Marina were with me. So,
Oh my God.
And we witnessed her first, nagpakalbo siya during that time. So we were there. And we cried while watching her doing that. Oo.
kasi I didn't want to go through yung sinasabi nila na when you're matutulog ka na, or when you take a shower, you'll feel the hair falling off. Inunahan ko. So even before my session started, nagpakalbo ako.
And they were there.
Yeah.
We were there.
We
We were there.
booked a private
We were
room
there
in a salon.
crying.
Pero hindi kami nagpakalbo ha. Support lang.
Hindi kami nagpakalbo.
Hindi rin nagpakalbo.
Pero naalala ko, nagpagupit ako. Nag-short, nagpa-short ako. Para
Tapos
hindi lang siya.
nag-China chop na lang ako na
But
hair.
the presence, the fact that they were there
Yeah.
at that moment to support you, to make you feel like you were not alone, meant
Yes.
a lot.
Means the world to me to this day. Until the day I die,
Yan.
I will love you forever. Enough!
Okay. Okay, yung mga nag-iiyakan na tayo
Ayan na.
dito. Okay. So, as women, how do you help empowering each other naman? You can describe to us the support system you have in your... Sorry, medyo seryoso pa rin pala yung tanong. The support system that you have in your sisterhood when you encountered mga experiences concerning career pressure or life decisions. Any big career changes that had to happen?
Marina.
I think pagdating dyan, if you'll notice, ladies, yung buong buhay natin together, those decades, whenever something happens to my life, I don't really share it with them. except for the time na napasunakit bahay kami. Nakit bahay kami. Pero, di ba, generally, kasi there was a time in my life when I raised my kids in a Angeles. So, I wasn't really that open about speaking yung tungkol sa mga issues, mga problems ko during that time. Except for, yun lang.
Oh yeah, she's very
Nagtatawanan ko ngayon.
She keeps it to herself.
Yeah, hanggang
Pagka may
kaya
mga
niyang i-solve on
serious.
her own siya. She doesn't.
How do you get her to open up?
Ako
I speak
parati
din.
ang kausap.
Usually
They're
ito,
neighbors eh, they're
venting.
neighbors kasi.
Venting. Pero, parang yung akit bahay. Di ba ang bigat nun? You have kids,
Yeah, of
napasukan
course.
kayo, tapos nawala lahat, at pati alkansya ng kids, and then people, your friends keep telling you, okay lang yan, importante na sa'yo yung ATM card mo, di ba? Tapos sabi ko, ate, 2.8 lang ang laman ng ATM card ko. May credit card ka ba? Wala. Di ba, you have monthly, you have bills to pay. Pero in that conversation, kami lang kasi nakapunta ni Pahat nun. Di ba, ni Pahat. Tapos, I just told her, I have to remember that things will happen for a reason. No matter how heavy, no matter how big a problem it is for you. Also, hindi ko gusto malaman ng lahat. Your problem is your problem. Don't make it other people's problems. So sabi ko, nung night na yon, sabi ko, I will just open myself. And although open na ako, I live the life of prayer naman, di ba? Wala kasi naktan, pero it does happen, ha? Things happen even to the best people. So, yun ang nangyari sa akin. Sabi ko, ate, alam mo, I'm tired. Sabi ko, I will just accept what happens next. Kasi, what's the use? Iniyak ko na, naubos na yung buntwalya ko sa luha, finished. So, I don't want to live another day with thinking, malas ko, bakit ganun nangyari? No questions. You just live. You just accept it. So, anong nangyari? Tapos, alam mo nangyari after? Alam mo, after 3 months, mga 2-3 months, that was when the Dubai-based designers sila, Fern, started doing shows in Manila. And they all got me for their finale. So, yung career ko, nagsishow pa rin naman ako noon. Pero, parang parang from 80
Jumpstart
kilo on,
ulit.
nag-jumpstart lang ulit. So,
Tapos nagkaroon
and
siya
then
ng teleserye.
And then nagkaserye ako sa...
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Oo. So, nagkaserye ako, nag-first full set. So, it was, if you... And, di ba sabi ko kanina, wag kayong magnega or magmarites because after this, pagsisisihan ninyo talaga. Okay? So, what happened to me then, ayokong mag-regret. Yung may bibintang ka, may, whatever. So, I just opened myself, accepted what will happen. So, para yung blessing pumasok. So, yun yung magandang nangyari. So, what was the question again?
Dilalapitan nyo rin ba yung isa't isa when it comes to matters of the heart?
Oh, yes.
Mga love life.
Naku, oo. Kaya na namin i-blackmail ang isa't isa.
Wow! Ganun ka-close.
Yes.
Ganun ka-close.
Ganun ka-close.
And motherhood concerns also.
Yes.
Siyempre kasi magkakasama kayo in your pageant days and then I assume mga around the same time din kayo naging moms.
Alam mo, Pia, when I gave birth, of course, I was 31 yata at that time. Hindi ako marunong, syempre, mag-carry ng baby. Desiree was with me because I gave birth in the States. So Desiree was with me.
Ka na naman?
Hindi, siya yung nagpaligo ng baby. Dahil hindi nga ako marunong. Siya yung nagturo sa akin ng football. Di ba football ang tawag doon? Siya yung talagang sumalo doon sa bata nang lumabas.
O kasi nga ako
Siya,
ang
siya.
pinakamatanda sa lahat. So,
Swerte
ako yung
namin,
alila.
may ate.
Siya ang mami namin.
May
sila-
ate,
ako yung
may...
mami nila.
Oo. Ganda.
So you see, ladies, that's what I meant earlier is that you stick to each other because umpisa lang to, pageant to ngayon, pero after this, like, marami pa kayong pagdadaanan together.
Yes. Super.
So, messages to each other naman. Why will you remain my dear sister forever? We can start with you, Miss Desiree.
I call them, kasi they're younger than me, no? So I call them the Ining girls. So that goes together with the rest of who are not here. We're not blood related, but I consider you as my sisters. Sana, since I'm in my senior year, going into my senior year, sana naman, alagaan nyo naman ako.
Bigyan kita wheelchair.
Kayo naman ang magtulak ng wheelchair ko.
Sabi ko nga, excited ako na 60 siya, libre na sinin niya, di ba?
Hindi nga.
Discount sa
Saka hindi, may sasabihin pa
drugstore.
ako. Tayo yung mga, hindi naman kami nag-aaway, nagtatampuhan kami. Pero yung tampuhan namin, hindi, no major fights. Pero yung tahimik lang kami pag yung merong nagtatampo sa isa sa amin. We don't get along sometimes, but we're still having fun together. Pero sana walang iwanan as friends. And I will love you forever hanggang naka-wheelchair na ako.
Kailangan ng tagatulak.
Oo, kailangan tigatulak. Since sila yung mga bata.
Wow. And you, Miss Marina.
Well, kay Desiree naman, alam naman niya to kasi madami akong pinagdaanan na alam niya. Kailangan maging kaibigan ko siya forever. No. Pero si Desiree will be forever talaga yung ate ko, maasahan. She's always there when you need her. Kahit mag-isa lang siya. And we're very blessed to have her. Si Patty, kasi minsan busy ako, di ba? So, wala akong nalalaman mabalita, chismis. So, kailangan nandyan si Patty. Kasi sa kanya ko nababalita.
Oh, she's the Marites.
Pero, how fun. Talagang nakakatuwa yung yung curiosity niya about other people, other things. Minsan matatawa ka na lang.
Pero she's the Marites in a good way,
Yeah, she's the Marites
sa
in a
amin.
Hindi naman ako, bad.
Hindi siya
Then
yung
she
bad
had-
ma'am,
Inquisitive.
Marites.
Yeah, tsaka sa thread namin, she's the one who adds yung extra flavor para hindi boring yung thread.
Siya.
Oh, ikaw naman, Miss Patty. Why will you remain my dear sister forever?
I'll keep it simple. You know, we've been through a lot already, and you know how much I appreciate you. And I love you. I appreciate you, Desiree, Ateng Des, and Marina, because you love me and accept me whole and flawed.
Yes.
That's all.
And you can always be our friends too.
Tsaka nasa edad na tayo. Alam niyo, sorry.
Siguro
we've
it
seen
comes
so
with
many
age,
good-
no? Pag nagmamature na kayo, iba na yung ano.
Iba na.
Wala nang judgments. Wala na, you take the person as she is.
Yeah.
So yun, you become more
Just focus on,
compassionate.
focus
diba?
on
Pasensyosa.
the good things.
Well, there were a few moments na akala ko tutulo na. Hindi lang sa inyo, pero pati ako, listening to your stories and just being inspired and looking forward to the futures and the many more experience I'll have with my Binibini sisters.
please,
And
correct.
excited for you ladies
Please
too,
do.
Binibinis, sa magiging friendship nyo sa isa't isa.